Hi, my name is Roney with BR Marine Group. Welcome to Motor Yacht Probability, the best tri-deck motor yacht on the market. It's a 122-foot Delta, built to the highest pedigree, and we're here aboard just showing you around. So come take a look. Thank you for coming with us today on board Motor Yacht Probability. We hope you enjoyed the tour. She's available for showings at Old Port Cove, and she'll be in the Palm Beach International Boat Show. We hope to see you very soon.